Morning plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today, Angelo Barron is on board. Another apprentice. My youngest son. Today we're going to go fix an outside shower, or check that, we're going to go fix a outside hose bib that cracked over the winter. Should be a relatively simple job, and when we get there, we're going to get the shot. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Angelo Barron, you want to add anything?
Said it all.
What, you lost of words today?
Yes, sir. So happy to be here.
You don't look happy. Where's CB2?
Sleeping.
Sleeping. CB2 got the planned day off. All right, let's get her done. Okay. Here's what we got, folks. Outside bib. This complex, they always freeze here. Let's see what we got. He's gonna turn the water on. We're gonna get this shot while he's not here. Someone's already patched this before, so it might be up higher, Angelo. It's probably broke on the copper. Somebody's been here before fixing shark bikes. All right, shut it down. It's above, oh, it's going to the electric panel too. All right, we gotta open the wall. We're gonna go with the old patch right here. It's up pretty high, man.
He wanted to see the Beach Boys, and one of the guys at the Beach Boys said, "This is good surfing here," and this guy's from the West Coast. I'm saying, what? Boston.
You know Bob Solari?
I heard of him, yeah.
He's friends with him too. He comes to Brigantine, right?
Yeah.
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 He lives somewhere around here. He comes here a lot.
Does he?
Yeah.
Are you from Brigantine, or?
I used to be.
Oh, you're not anymore?
Yeah, nah. So, yeah, he's a legend, right?
Yeah.
He's a beach boy.
I said with those two, cause we were there yesterday. We looked at them.
It was packed.
Oh man, they're perfect. Yeah, I hope it does good for Atlantic City.
Alright.
You want me to bring you any water or anything?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Okay.
And did you see where he showed me the vent?
Is it back there?
Alright, real slow. Alright. Alright, we gotta go under the ceiling now. Okay? The 5-minute job is not happening. Alright, come on, be right here. Oh man, there's a lot of wires right here. Oh.
Oh yeah, I see them all.
Yep. This is why you don't use a sawzall. But here's what we got. We got a 90 that popped off the fitting, and Angelo, my apprentice, this guy right here, just asked a good question. What was it?
How did it pop off?
How did it pop off? I keep assuming that he knows a little bit, but it actually freezes and pops right off the fitting.
That's it.
You know what I mean? Just pushes it right off. I guess it was an okay solder joint. Instead of splitting the pipe, it popped the fitting off. A lot of times they'll break the fitting in the back, and it seems good. So I'll take that 90 off, I'll unsweat it, clean everything up, and resolder it. I hate to even solder though, Angelo, I'll be honest with you. Right now, You see what we got a broken pipe in here, but I'll be honest with you, I don't even feel like cleaning the copper. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see if I can work this, because I got a nice big open area, because this is all, what the hell you even call them, open joist? Yeah, oh, I can't remember the name of them. And guess what? I can ProPress this. Just like so. Bang. That's what I'm gonna do. ProPress City, it's coming. Give me that flashlight again. I'm gonna cut the solder off. There we go. Oh, truss. I couldn't remember the name of this type of construction. Truss construction. Oh my gosh. What kind of fireman am I? I couldn't remember it. This is making our job easy. The truss construction here. See how they're wide open? Alright, make sure it fits on. Oh, look at that. Oh, I didn't cut it all. Hold on, Danny. So we gotta mimic this. So I'm just gonna prefab this and use a 45 instead of a heat bend, alright? That's a heat bend.
Oh, you do that on purpose?
Yeah, you can actually heat copper, it'll take the temperament out. Tape measuring. Today's a little hot. 105 with the heat index. How much fun are we having? 3 1/4. Chucky's favorite tool.
Who loves that thing?
That's it. Alright, where's that sandpaper at? Oh, Lord. You always gotta clean up a little bit before you ProPress it. Alright. I'm gonna dry fit it first. Make sure we're good. Get the chopper. We want to give this a dry run. Make sure this will work. Look at here. Look at this. Oh, I actually cut that a little short inch. Ay, ay, ay. Alright. We're good. We're right there though. Give me a tape measure, please. I'll get it measured. I just hope nothing else is broke. You know? That's all. Be a piece, 9 inches. Piece 9 inches. what happens when you don't winterize your shower. It was so cold this winter. Alright. Perfect. We'll go. Did I bring 190 in? You gave me one, right?
Yeah.
Because I'll print this one before I. Because this is hard to get to, you know what I'm saying?
So, yeah, do all
So I'll prefab it, all except for the piece I'm gonna get on the horizontal. ProPress. Oh. Come on, man. This is all you.
Isn't it done?
Yep. There you go. This is actually key right here. Alright.
Make sure it's like straight, right?
Yeah. We're good. That's not already set, so it doesn't even matter. Okay? Okay. We don't have that, we're gonna put it right on. Okay. Look at that joker pitching down hard now. Oh, that looks like shit. Hold on. Oh, that's why. Jesus Christ, it wasn't in. Okay. ProPress. Boom. Now, one of the main reasons I like using ProPress, doesn't get hotter up here, but no fire. No chance to have a fire with a ProPress unless you crimp one of these wires. And here goes the final joint right here. See that the actual jaw is holding the fitting. It's just sitting there. Alright, here we go. Final crimp. The final press. I keep saying crimping. Alright, now the big test. Let's take our tool. Hold on, not yet. I'm gonna get my tools out of here. Because there might be another break somewhere. Alright. I'm gonna open the garage door, okay? Alright. Alright, shut it off. We got it. A lot of times you'll get a second break and it's like, look, it's been broke here. There's a door there now. There was a break in there. Now, but look, break was in the ceiling. So these always break in this condominium association. Go shut that hose bib off outside. So here we go. Couple new holes. Just a bad layout. All right, you ready to test it again? Yeah. Let's do it. All right. We'll put on full charge. You on? All right. We're good. No more leaky. minus a couple holes. What's our saying?
And there goes another satisfied customer.